Did you know? In Octopus, you can open multiple tabs. Easy. You do it by holding Command or Control on your keyboard and clicking with your mouse at the same time. For example, if I have a tab with my agenda open and want to have a rundown as a separate tab next to it, all I need to do is press Control and click at the same time on my menu item. Oops, now I closed it by chance. No worries, I can easily reopen it again. We have a button for this here at the top. See the two little arrows? That's Undo Close tab. You can also move tabs around if you wish. I split my screen in two with this button at the top. That's quite useful for an editor, for example. Agencies on one side and Rundown on the other, and then I can drag and drop my tab any way I like.